It's 6 degrees and raining in Tokyo right now. And it's still a cold, rainy, gloomy day here in Tokyo. We've come to Odaiba, which is an artificial island in Tokyo, and it is the only place in Tokyo which is where the shoreline is accessible, and it's on Tokyo Bay, and it's very upscale, and it has all these, I can't even talk, it's so cold. So it has all these upscale buildings, lots of upscale places to go around. We're going to go see, we've come to the last station on Odaiba Island, and we're going to go and explore what we have to see over here. Now I am at the Toyota City Showcase, which is located in the Palette Town Shopping Center of Odaiba. This is of course Toyota's self-proclaimed car theme park, where there are lots and lots of different kinds of cars and the latest cars that Toyota makes that you can see over here, and it is definitely a place for kids and adults alike. And not just cars, there are also various exhibits and lots of different rides and attractions. So yeah, this is a place not just for kids, like I said, a place for everyone. So we've come to this place, which is a ride station, where you will have all these miniature cars, and you can go on them, go for a ride around in these really nice swanky cars. I think the kids to do, I think they will really enjoy a lot. It's fun to really watch them actually. Funny, funky cars. We went to the ride station, but unfortunately we couldn't book a ride or go on a ride. Well, I can't go on a ride over there, but my son couldn't go on a ride over there because apparently you need to make a reservation in advance, and today's reservations were already fully booked. So yeah, if you want to go to the ride station, you have to make a reservation if you have a child with you. So yeah, we didn't do it, and I don't have a very happy child with me right now. So today has been a completely uneventful day. We came all the way to Odaiba, and there are so many activities that we could have done over here, especially my son could have done over here, but just because of the weather we couldn't do any of those activities. It's just been like really cold and gloomy and just very non-adventurous kind of a day so far. Now, a boring day doesn't necessarily have to end boringly. So we came for this Robotaia dining experience tonight. Now, Robotaia essentially is a traditional Japanese form of dining where the chef sits in the center of the restaurant with a whole lot of raw food, around him. So there is different kinds of local produce, local vegetables, seafood, meat around the chef and in front of the diners, and the guests or the diners can actually pick and choose what they want. So you can really pick which vegetable or seafood or meat that you prefer, and the chef will then pick it right in front of your eyes and grill it and serve it to you. And it's not just the food that you have, which is brilliant, but also the conversations, because you're sitting in this really informal sort of gathering where you can actually talk to the other guests. And that really is what Robotia is all about, where you're talking to the other guests from all around the world, interacting with them, laughing, and generally having a great time. So there is great food, great conversations, lots of laughter, and really a lot of fun.
How about me? Thank you.
Finally, the night has ended well. Another day in Tokyo. We had this fun Robotia dining experience, mingling with the other guests, talking to other strangers. Oh, taxi is here. Okay, come on, let's go. Walking to our taxi, calling it a night. Tomorrow is going to be another day. Live, love, explore. Arigato.